Welcome, welcome back, friends. Welcome to today's Chi Energy activation. Let's begin today with some of the 18 forms. First one we're going to do is the movement for harmonizing the Chi, gathering that peaceful Chi. Opening the palms in front, and on the inhalation, raising the arms up over the head. Folding the hands in towards the forehead. And now as you exhale, bending at the knees, guiding the energy down from the top of your crown to the base of your torso. Out the legs, out the feet, back to the ground. Releasing the breath completely. Long, slow, gentle breath. Breathing in, raising the energy up. Exhaling, flowing the energy down your central axis. Again, from the top of the crown to the third eye, to the throat chakra, the heart chakra. Your lower dantian, bending at the knees, lowering your center of gravity, now flowing the energy down past all your internal organs, your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet, out to the ground. Breathing in, feel the tingling in the palms as you raise the energy up, straightening the legs. Breathing out, guiding the energy with your intention, with your consciousness, flowing the energy down, harmonizing, cleansing the energy in your body. Breathing in, raising it up. Breathing out. Now let's gather the energy ball in front of the lower dantian. Hands are out, hands width in front of the body. Shoulders are relaxed, chest is open, arms are rounded. Pulse on the sides of the energy ball. Feel the weight of the ball between your hands, the density of the chi between your hands. Nice. On the inhalation, raise the ball up with arms extended. The height of the shoulder open. Palms facing up. Turn the palms facing down now, and on the exhalation, float the hands down, back to center, back to the initial position, holding the ball. Breathing in, raising the ball up. Opening the chest, palms facing up. Exhaling, palms facing down. Keeping attention on the hands and coordinating the movement with your breath. Breathing in, the arms rise. Opening the chest to smile in gratitude. Turn the hands facing down and float effortlessly back to the center. One more time, breathing in. Smiling as you open and receive the energy. And breathing out as you return. Third movement, We cross the arms, raise the elbows up over the head, and separate the hands as we're parting the clouds. The hands come down to shoulder height, the palms facing out, and then lowering back down to center. Crossing the arms, either arm can go in front as you breathe in, raising the elbows up. Looking up at the sky, parting the clouds, seeing the sun smiling, receiving that energy from above. Breathing in, raising the arms up, breathing out as you exhale, separating the clouds, seeing the night sky, the moon, the stars. One last time, breathing in. And breathing out. Come into the beginning of the universe position and adjust your posture. The arms are rounded, fingers are spread, shoulders are relaxed, chest is open, knees are comfortably bent. Feeling centered on your feet, straightening the spine, tucking in the chin, perhaps tucking in the tailbone. Putting a smile on your lips as you switch your breathing to breathing in and out of the nose. As you breathe into the lower belly and then up into the chest. The chest expands, the arms rise slightly at your sides. As you exhale, the hands move back naturally towards the body. Breath moves down, out from the belly. Slow, mindful breaths. Breathing in. The awareness on the hands, the arms moving in the chi field. Breathing out, surrendering, relaxing, letting go. Breathing in, gathering the chi in the lower dantian. Feeling your connection to the breath of life, to the breath of the universe. Breathing out, releasing. Your next inhalation, sweep the arms up over the head, forming a giant energy ball. Soften the shoulders, bring the energy down into your body. Let's pulse on the energy ball, side to side with the hands, feeling the chi ball, not just between the hands, but between the arms, this whole area, the forearms, the biceps, the hands. Huge energy ball. So breathe in now, lower your center of gravity, bending at the knees. And as you breathe out, slowly press the legs straight, rising back up. Breathing in, dropping down, you feel the earth supporting you, nurturing you, loving you unconditionally. Breathing out, you reach the heavens and you receive that universal chi, that pure Zen chi, that peaceful chi. As you do this movement called connecting the heaven and earth, I invite you to feel the peace with every breath. And feel the peace in every thought. Use your mind, your intention to breathe in the energy of peace with every pore of your skin. Feel that peaceful energy circulating in every part of your body. Feel the vibration of your body rising to the frequency of peace. That peaceful energy flowing in your bones, in your muscles, in your tissues, in your organs. You're balancing out any worrying, any anxiety, any overthinking with peace. Now, as you're doing the movement together with me, say this affirmation. Say it to yourself or say it out loud. Say, all of my energy channels are open, open. They are completely open. Any energy blockages are gone. They're gone. They are completely gone. Now you say, I know that I am healing right now. I know that I am healing completely. And you believe it. You accept it. You have no doubt. You know that it's true. Next exhalation, let your hands come back down slowly to your sides. Take a big inhalation, roll the shoulders forwards 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Another big inhalation, rolling them backwards. 1, 2, 3. Rub your hands like that. And place them over your eyes and send love and light and gratitude to your eyes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now bring the hands down and press the fingertips from the tip of the chin up the bridge of the nose, across the forehead, down the sides of the cheekbones. In a heart shake motion, close your eyes and visualize this heart. And say to yourself, I love my face. I love my skin. I love my nose. I love my mouth. I love my lips. I love my teeth. I love my gums. I love my chin. Your fingertips brush back through your scalp. Yourself, I love my brain. I love my right brain. I love my left brain. Form a cup shape with your hands and cup from the forehead to the base of the head. Leave a hand on the forehead and with the other hand, cup the base 9 times. Massage your ears, the outside rim, the inside. Squeeze and tug the earlobes. Bring your hands down, take a relaxing breath. Now massage the hands again. Get a nice walk. Place them over the navel. Men left hand first, cover with the right. Women right hand first, cover with the left. Now massage up on the right side, down on the left, from the base of the belly to the solar plexus. Sending warmth, love, and gratitude to all your internal organs. Feel the warmth you're projecting from your palms to your liver, to your pancreas, to your stomach, to your gallbladder, your spleen, your small intestine, to your large intestine, to your bladder, to all your reproductive organs. Keeping the lower dantian, the belly, that area between the navel and the small intestine warm. It's so important. This is the fire, this is the energy center, the transformation of your chi. Slowly come to rest. Bring your hands into prayer position. Bowing your heads gently forward, we give thanks for today's practice. See if you can keep that peaceful feeling throughout your day. Stay connected with the energy of peace. Looking forward to seeing you again here for another Chi activation soon. Have a great rest of your day.